and welcome to another video. So in this one I'm doing more of the pet Christmas presents. This is finishing up the presents for my pets. This is for, I have a pet Secret Santa thing or a dog Secret Santa thing that I'm doing. This is for family members' pets, you know, all that fun stuff. So we are going to start with, I got this box of Caesar food. It's dog food, it's 4 flavors, 24 count. This is the beef, the filet mignon, the grilled chicken, and the porterhouse steak flavors. Now I got this, it's going to be a Christmas present for my grandpa. He's very hard to shop for Christmas or for anything. So I figured I would get him the food that he gets for his dog. And so I just got this, and it's kind of funny with him. He's one of those people that we never really know what to get him. So it's always the same variation of like socks and underwear, some sort of gift card, and like some sort of like nut snack, whatever. I don't know what kind he likes, but usually something along the lines of those. And it's really funny whenever it's like Father's Day or Christmas, everyone gives their presents to him, and it's just different variations of that. So I'm kind of trying to switch it up a little bit, but figured I'd throw that in there. Now, this is Frisco Hide and Seek Plush Chicken Coop Puzzle Dog Toy Refills. This is the 3-pack. It is the chickens. I'm going to give this to Ziva because she likes tiny little toys. And I thought they were cute. And along that same line, for my sister, she recently got chickens and is obsessed with them. Like, absolutely obsessed. Everything is chickens now with her. And so, even though her dog doesn't, like, play with toys, honestly, she'd probably love this. Just kind of as a joke, but also because it's cute. I got her the full set. So, the Frisco Hide and Seek Plush Chicken Coop Puzzle Dog Toy. So, you got the little chicken coop, and then 3 chickens inside. So, just figured it's cute, you know. So, I got that for her. I'm going to wrap it like and say it's for Riley, but Riley's really not going to play with this. She doesn't really play with toys much except for her ball, but yeah. And then more for Ziva, I got this little whack-a-mole game, except this one's called Smack-a-Squirrel, and I guess it's a little dark because I call Ziva Squirrel, Squirrely Girly, her middle name's Squirrel, like so many different variations of squirrel. And so when I saw this little squirrel toy, and it was little toys, I was like, well, obviously I have to get that. And so it's just these 3 little squirrels and a little like whack-a-mole hammer and this little arcade thing. So I thought that was cute. There's a hole in the back, there's 2 in the front, and yeah, it's just this cute little thing. This is from Frisco. Is Retro Hide and Seek Plush Smack-a-Squirrel Puzzle Dog Toy. Now, another thing I got for Ziva is these 6-inch beef bully sticks. She loves these. This is from Bones and Chews, and she loves bully sticks. She loves them. Remy's thing is pig ears, Ziva's is bully sticks, and so I kind of wrap them up as stocking stuffers and things, and so I got these for her. A lot of the last like Christmas present video I did, it was a lot of treats and stuff, so a lot of those are going to be wrapped for Remy. So this is more like toys and stuff for Ziva. And then these are going to be Christmas presents for Eddie, which also kind of turned into Christmas presents for my mom. I don't have a whole bunch of money, and a lot of the stuff I got for people is really expensive this year. So I'm kind of also mixing in pet presents with people presents to add on. But got the American Journey grain-free limited ingredient salmon and sweet potato recipe dog treats. This is the 14-ounce. Now Eddie has a lot of allergies, but we don't exactly know what he's allergic to. But we think it's a lot of like meats and things. So just to be safe, we go with grain-free. And because that's a common allergy, and he usually does pretty good with like fish, sometimes lamb, but we're leaning more towards like fish. Things seem to be what works good for him. He always has bad allergies. I don't know, you might even be able to hear him whining. He's always whining. Feel bad for the dude. But also, he's just talkative. Like, a lot of times we're just yelling over him because he just sits there and whines. So, he's a very, very talkative guy. But, so I got these for him. And then also got Play-Doh Pet Treats. This is Hunter's Crunch Jerky Fingers. These are fish treats for dogs. It's like fish jerky. Don't really know what that is if I'm being honest, but this is 3.5 ounce. But yeah, I thought this would be something interesting for Eddie. Now the problem is I have to like not only hide these but like put them up really high because he will break into things. He's broken into multiple Christmas presents. If they smell like food, he will just rip them apart. This was a couple of years ago, but I got one of my friends like a necklace and I put it just in a little like gum container, and because of the smell of the gum, he tore the whole thing open. So, yeah, but I got these for Eddie. And now we are on to the Secret Santa presents. Now, the way we did the Secret Santa, it was originally going to be for the dog Christmas party, but unfortunately with the shutdown, we had to cancel that. But I'm still doing the Secret Santa for some people, like the people who see each other regularly anyway, from like work and family and stuff. Like there's no avoiding seeing them. We're still kind of doing a little Secret Santa thing. And so I put in both Remy and Ziva, and my mom put Eddie in. But it was kind of funny. We had 9 dogs, I believe, and my friend Kiana put in 4 dogs. She put in her 3 and then her boyfriend's dog. And then we put in our 3 and then my sister put in 1, and then there's one other dog. So basically, between like my family and Kiana's family, we just kind of swapped dogs for the most part. But, so I had to kind of play like matchmaker with them. I couldn't do it randomly, unfortunately. But, because I didn't want people to buy, like I didn't want to have mine be for Eddie and then Kiana's be for one of her dogs. Like, I wanted to avoid that. But anyway, so I don't remember which dog of mine got who, but I think Ziva got Winston, and then Remy got Sleeper, which is one of Kiana's dogs. I believe that's what it is, but either way I have Sleeper and Winston. And there was a $10 minimum, no maximum, but I don't remember how much I spent on this stuff. But for Winston, I got 2 of the USA Bones and Chews all natural beef kneecaps. It is a beef bone, and so I just, pretty simple, got that for Winston. And then I also got him one of these filled bones. This is also by USA Bones and Chews. This is the peanut butter flavor filled bone. He usually likes these, so figured I'd get him that. And then I also threw in, take this out of here because I'll wrap it in a thing anyway. I got him this little Frisco hide and seek plush guacamole toy. This is a refill. I didn't see what the full thing was, but either way I just got it because my sister really likes avocados, and it has an avocado, so that's really why I got it. And also there's this little chip with a mustache, and I thought that was really cool. So anyway, like even my sister's baby was an avocado for her first for her first Halloween. But yeah, so I just got these, thought I'd throw that in with Winston's presents, because why not? And now on to sleepers. Now, when I did the Secret Santa, I kind of had people write, like, things they like, generally. That way the person knew what to go by. And then when I sent people the dog they got, I sent it as, like, this is their list for Santa Paws, like, what they wanted for Christmas. And so that's kind of how I, like, based these. Oh, also for Winston, I'm not going to have it here, but the main thing I got Winston is, he loves these little, like, these little cookie toys. I believe they're from Frisco. They're from Zippy Paws. That's what it is. It's another one of those puzzle sets. It's like a milk carton with little cookies, but he's obsessed with the cookies. Unfortunately, they don't have them on Chewy anymore. I don't know why, but they don't. So I had to get them from Amazon. So I don't have them in this, but I got him some of those cookies, and he loves those. So that's kind of the main thing of his present. But anyway, on to Sleeper. He really likes rope toys and squeaky ball toys. And so I got him this rope and ball toy This is from Frisco. It's a rope and tug with squeaking ball dog toy. It's got just a little blue squeaker ball and this rope. And then also got him. This was fun, like shopping for him. That's part of why I like the Secret Santa things, or the Secret Santa paws as I call it. Because it's fun because you kind of get to shop in different sections than you usually do. Like, none of our dogs like toys like these. So I got to kind of play around with some other things. But anyway, this is the Frisco squeaking football dog toy in red. I know that he can be a destructive dog, so I tried to get some thicker ones. I don't know if he'll like this, but it'll be interesting to see. And then last but not least, Kiana's mom and most of the world jokes about how much I love Chewy, and I'm okay with that joke. I love it because I love Chewy. And so I thought I would get these Chewy tennis balls they have. This is from Frisco. It is Chewy tennis balls, 3-pack, 2.5 inch. I probably should leave them together, but I'm going to open them. They're just these little blue tennis balls that say Chewy on them in white letters. And these, I'm sure he's probably going to break in like 2 seconds, but it's more for just the joke of it, you know. So yeah, that is what I got for the Secret Santa presents, for the rest of the Christmas presents in general. I basically got my Christmas shopping done now. I just need to get things for a couple friends. I need to finish off getting stuff for my mom. And then, oh, there's another Secret Santa thing that I'm doing, like the human one, so I gotta get that. I just got my person today. But yeah, so that's basically, I've got the pets covered, I've got my sisters covered, I've got my grandpa covered, you know. Yeah, we got this. So anyway, with that, I hope you enjoyed, and have a Merry Christmas. Bye!